Ah! Okay. Woo! 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 4. Who's counting? 5. That's 5, eh? Go! You mean
1.
oh. Ah! Hey! Ọlọ́run, Olúwa is involved. Out! 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 No opportunity. I will just throw this thing small. Go. Jeez. Hey! Hey! Hey!
4.
4. No.
Yes.
4-3.
Oh, 4-3.
4-3.
4-3.
2. Ah! Yes! 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 Finish him.
1.
Go.
Remember the rule.
1.
You have to be exact. If you go above 5, it has to be 3 for you to win. If you go above,
So now we're looking for who will get 3.
you can get in. They can get
You
1
can get
1.
1 and 2.
1 1. If you get 1, you get to bust 1. If you get 2, he has won.
If I get
you have to
3, I'm out.
3. If you get above 3, it's a waste. It's a waste round. So that's it.
Ah, now this is not the main game, because this one. Hey!
So it's either you get 2, you bust 2, or you get 1, you bust 1, or you get 3, you win straight.
5. 5. 5.
3. 3. 3.
5.
3. 3. Hey! 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 5. Two.
That's one out.
2. No, you have to just get until you get 2.
Okay.
Until you get 2.
Or 1. So you guys are both looking for 2.
2. 6.
That's a waste.
No, this one, the game is now, you can kick him. They look the game, oh. They look the game. They look the game. Okay, we're allowed to look at the game. Okay, anyhow you want to do it.
You can roll, but the dice must spin sharp.
It must spin. It must spin. Yes!